Alright, it's a lovely Sunday afternoon. Hopefully the traffic noise isn't too bad. The garage is full, so we're working out in the driveway. So what we're doing today is changing, can we see? No, I'll move it later. Changing the spring up front to shortened spring, and did the passenger side yesterday. Wait for the cars to pass. Did the passenger side yesterday, found out better ways to do it. Didn't need to compress the spring until the spring was actually off the car. I'll show you what the plan is for today, and so we'll do it more correct way. So we've got here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be loosening these bolts here. Okay, so one goes that direction, that one goes that direction. We're going to come down here and loosen this bolt here where the shock joins at the bottom, and then we're going to loosen this here where the shock is mounted up top, and then after we take these out we should be able to pull this down, which gives us room to like finagle the shock and pull it out a little bit easier, because of up here is where it's, you need the clearance of it dropping down because of the length of the threads there. So I think that's about it. Should be a lot easier, faster, more simple second time around. So here we go. Oh, it was funny. Without fail, I'll get out a bunch of tools that I'm pretty sure I'm going to be needing to use. And without fail, there's always going to be one that I missed. It's probably going to be one of the first ones also. Yep, need to replace. I'll figure out when that's going to happen. Anytime soon, like the rest before that happens. Habit I have, so I like to lay out bolts exactly how I took them off. Helps me remember where they were at. So here, somebody put this back in correctly because they were supposed to go opposite directions. So why just go opposite directions? So, the threads, you see here, now that sun is really making it tough to see. What if we go there? It's a little better. Okay, so, these threads here are a little too long for my socket, so the little thing I like to do, I'll stick it on there, and it's just barely engaging. But it is enough, so I get a little bit of extra length out of the socket there that way. And then as the nut comes up, then it'll just lock into it. Yep. are. Go up there. And it is free. So this hang gently. Pull this out. We'll work on swapping them out. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is compress this here spring compressor. Right, I just noticed that you probably couldn't see that very well, and I apologize. So, this side, maybe you should. If I can keep it in the frame. Let's see, let's move this. This is a lot of pressure, so I get nervous. Yesterday I had one of these things. I took the end piece off, and I'd put these on while this was still in the car, and only clamped this part, and so this top part sprung free, and it shot the top a distance. So it's a little bit scary. Okay, so before I go any further with that, I want to make sure this is not going to blow up on me. Here, I have there. This is when things got scary yesterday. How about I aim it this way so it blows off, it goes in a safe direction. Hopefully that won't be the case today. Oh, okay, yeah. That's safe to continue unscrew. Hopefully I'm not going to eat those words, but we're going to find out in just a few seconds. You can understand my apprehension here. It's looking good. It's not pushing against it anymore. Come on. It's like opening a thing of Grand's biscuits. Except for those ones don't pop so violently. Aha! So nice. Ta-da! Okay, so now I need to gently, slowly release the spring. This thing is way the hell compressed. Considering it's like this much taller than this one, but well, you can't see that. It's like that much taller than the other one. At least when it's not under tension. Oh crap. You have a problem. I'm about to run out of thread and I still have compression on this. Alright, so this is not the ideal situation or way to go about doing this. That's what I got. Maybe that'll catch it. Oh man. That's nice. That side didn't blow up. So this one I'm starting with already release. Should have the same word with it. Blown off. Right over there. Right. So last time, since this blew apart, I thought this ring had broken, but it looks on this one like they're supposed to be two separate rings. They fit in fine, nice and happy together. Hold things tight. Let's see if this fits. Ooh, chilly breeze. Alright, so here goes that. Go. Go on. That's how you take. No, don't take it out. And that's how you do take it out. Alright. I was just putting everything back together. I could detach that, but I don't want to bleed the brakes again. Just did that yesterday. Okay, I'm going to tighten these first to help pull the whole thing up, which is going to give me more clearance down there. You guys see that? I don't think so. If we hit the elevator button. It's not really a button, it's a crank. There we are. Might be a little better. Get my screwdriver in here, trying to straighten it out. Whoa, hey there. Alright, so that is pretty much it. All I got left to do is to put the tire on there, clean up my tools, lower the hood, pull the jack out, and drive on my merry way. And so see how this handles. So I put in the car pass. So the US Spitfires, it's another car. The US Spitfires, they raised the bumper height on the front by an inch, and so by putting UK spec springs, it brings it down, makes it a little bit sportier. And these are also the performance springs, so it should be a little bit tighter. I know ideally I'd change the shocks too, but it's just they weren't in the budget, and so I'll do shocks another time. So, right on. Thanks.